Welcome to Christmas in July 2023. So, kicking off Christmas in July, I am going to be giving you guys some decorating inspiration for the upcoming Christmas season. I am going to be throwing in some oldies but goodies videos, and I'm also going to be giving you guys some new and fresh inspiration for Christmas this year. So definitely hang tight. I hope that you guys are inspired from these videos and that you too can know that you can create things that are beautiful and affordable for your Christmas holiday. So let's sit back, relax, and enjoy.
Let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows in the rain. Christmas in my heart, but this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand.
Okay guys, so I'm actually gonna have to do a voiceover on this part because my daughter, she was watching Cocomelon and it was in the background, and for some reason I don't know why I didn't think to turn it down or to even close the door, but I can't I'm just going to do a voiceover because I don't want to have a copyright strike because Cocomelon is in my video. Okay, so I'm kind of just going to tell you guys what's happening here. So in this little nook, so this was the little nook that I told you that I was going to put the portable closet in. And it just so turned out that I had like a little, you know, idea, a thought that this would be a nice little cozy nook for a chair. So I have this chair. I've had it for a very long time. You guys know that. And it was in my son's room for the time being. So I just moved it back into this little corner. And I figured I can use this for, you know, like sitting down on the phone or lounging or even doing my devotions, you know, reading my Bible. My daughter likes to come in here and watch her computer. This would be a perfect spot for her to lay. I'm just going to get like a little side table and put it there, you know, with some floral centerpiece and things like that. I love this mirror, and at first I was going to move the mirror, but I was just like, I actually love the vibes that it's giving. And I love the fact that it's like, what's the word I'm looking for? It is, that the two sides match. I can't think of the word right now. I just got home from work. But I love that the two sides line up together. And I love the board and batten, and it's just giving me like a vintage cozy vibe. I just love everything about this whole side wall over here. So I'm actually going to leave that spot right there, that couch, and cancel the order for the closet and just use the closet that I already have. Of course, I'm gonna have to talk to my husband about that because he doesn't know this yet. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do because I love that little nook. I think that it's beautiful, it's cozy, it adds to the bedroom, and it makes the bedroom feel even more cozier. I feel sometimes you don't want to sit on the bed, sometimes you want like a spot to sit on. And though we do have like the bench at the end of our bed, sometimes it's just nice to have something that is cozy and soft and fluffy. So that's what you guys are seeing, and I just love the way that this area turned out. I love the way the whole room turned out, by the way. So thank you guys so much for watching.
Christmas in my heart, and I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Dance, dance, now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Oh, yeah. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing, just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, we're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we meet under the mistletoe, while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi to every friendly face. And later we warm up by the fire,